Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you how to create Discord account on your mobile phone. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to download the Discord application from App Store or Play Store. Then you have to simply open up. Here you have to click on register and then it will give you two options, enter phone or email. You can choose any of the option, login with phone number or login with email according to your preference. For example, I am using email. Here you have to type your email account. After that you have to click on next. Here you have to put a username for your account. For example, I am writing. After that you simply have to click on password and you have to type a password. After typing the password, you simply have to click on next. Here you have to put on your date of birth. After that you have to click on confirm. Then you have to click on create an account. You have to wait a few seconds and then it will verify your identity. After that you have to choose a profile picture. For example, I am choosing this and you can also skip this step, and after that you simply have to click on next. After that, as you guys can see that the account has been created. Okay, so guys, this was the easiest and quick way to create account on Discord. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.